Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add 404 page in Squarespace. So simply as you know, 404 page is error page. So when someone visits your website and your website is not available, or simply currently you are working on your website or something, an issue, so this error appears. So how you can add 404 page? So this is the error code page. Simply just go to the design, and after that here you can see 404 page is available. So simply just click here. So now here you can see it's a system default, so you don't need to add 404 error page because it's a system default. So whenever someone visit your website, this message will appear here. So simply just as you can see, this is your 404 page. So simply your site title will be appear here, and under this here you can see this error will be appeared here. So this is system default, you don't need to add 404 page in Squarespace. So in this way you can easily add 404 page in